Today, Advantage Sales is proud to roll out our new Bullseye folding handle enclosed ratchet binder series. First, we'd like to discuss the ratchet gear trigger, which is this item right here. In this position, it is for retracting. If you lift it up and put it to the other side, it is for extension. In the middle, you can freewheel to allow the eye bolts to extend without using the handle. You might ask, why do we have an enclosed gear? It keeps the snow and ice outside of the ball bearing and allows for easy unloading and loading. Now you might see that this trigger bounces up and down. That is completely normal when you're operating the binder. Now to operate the folding handle, it's very simple. You just push the button and fold it down. It snaps into place. When you want to bring it up, you just simply press the button and put it back up, and it can't move.